My name is Joel Scutchfield, and I'm General Manager of Sales for Koh Young America. Koh Young America is a branch office of Koh Young Technologies. We are an unequivocal industry leader in our inspection technology space for printed circuit board and semiconductor applications. So that's a very broad topic, and let me start by just giving you some evidence of our commitment to that overall initiative. We annually publish a very extensive 65-page ESG report for our shareholders that really details our commitment and our activities, our goals for everything associated with that, or at least from our standpoint, from what we see. And of course, that covers all the energy initiatives, energy reduction, and employee health and safety, compliance, supplier support, information technology, and on down the line. So there's a lot of pieces to that, obviously, right? And for each of those, we have specific goals or expectations that we need to achieve at both the HQ level and our branch level with our 6 branches around. So specifically with the Americas branch, we've taken, just to give you a few examples, initiatives in the area of energy reduction. Obviously, that's a very easy place to start. And we've implemented things like LED lighting, automatic on-off switches. We have an extensive demo room with 12 systems that we turn off every night, weekends, use of the window shades in the summer for hot Atlanta heat, and things of that nature. The use of tumblers and coffee cups as opposed to paper cups. We have a recycling program. On the employee health and safety side, we implemented things like CPR training, AEDs, obviously we have fire suppression, and things of that nature, right? I thought this is actually a very important topic. It's a topic that's the ongoing conversation in every boardroom across the country and across the world. And I just think it's important that you understand Koh Young Technologies' commitment to addressing these issues, and that we take it very seriously, and we will continue to do so. I think that's part of our mission to improve mankind. Dr. Koh actually states that in our global mission statement. We are a provider of technology and things of that nature that are really designed to improve mankind in general. And this is obviously a big part of that.